Hello everyone! I have pruned quite a few shrubs and roses in the last couple of days. One rose that I have avoided though is this rose behind me. It is pretty large, full of thorns and quite a mess at the moment. It's kind of positioned right behind the small pond, and yeah, I think my mother asked me to prune it so she can reach the plants under the rose and is able to tidy it up a little bit. So this is my task for today, and I don't think these clippers will be enough. I also have a few larger tools, and for the very big branches I even have a saw. So I will show you the rose a little bit closer, and then we'll get to it. This view should already give you quite a good idea of what I have to work with. So there are quite a few dead branches, and I can also already see a lot of branches that are interfering with each other. And the biggest task though is probably to ensure the basic shape that my mother intended at the beginning. So she likes to have a rose with basic arches. So this is kind of the architectural shape that I want to maintain. So let's see how it's gonna go, and I hope it will not be too painful, because these branches look quite prickly and painful. But yeah, let's give it a try. I'm done with the first stage, and in the first stage I only focused on removing all the dead branches. And you can see I cut away quite a bit. There's a little bit more over there, and I feel like it already has so much more space to breathe in the middle. So I think this is already considerably better. The next stage is to focus on crisscrossing branches. For example, I mean, you see this here quite a bit. It's just a little bit too busy, so I will approach this area next. I think I am done. So if you are a little bit further away, you can see the arches of the big branches of the rose quite clearly now. There are still some overlapping branches right here, but I think this is fine overall. I think they need to lean on each other a little bit. And yeah, you can see there's considerably more space right down at the trunk of the rose. So I think overall I'm really happy with the result. And here you can see these arches once more, and branches moving away from the main arch. So I think that's kind of the ideal scenario. Oh, and another magnolia tree in the back. Now I managed to rake the ground below the rose a little bit as well. Looks a little bit tidier. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.